Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable installing from unknown sources on any Itel phone. Let's begin! First, you want to locate the settings. In here, you want to scroll down a little until you'll see Privacy. Click it. And now let's go to Special Permissions. And right at the top we see Install Unknown Apps. We click it, and here we can choose the applications that are currently, nothing is allowed to install unknown apps. So, for example, let's give Chrome this ability, and we do that by simply checking this box and allow from this source. Now we simply leave, and as you can see now, we can install unknown apps via Chrome. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.